Welcome back, Airsoft Warriors. Today we are gearing up for an intense game mode of fallback, where we will need to defend our territory and hold off the enemy team for as long as possible through 2 grueling phases. And for this challenge, I'll be wielding the BOLT MK18 BRSS with the BOLT recoil shock system. The recoil feedback is absolutely insane and makes each shot feel like a true battle. With this beast, the recoil feedback never fails to give me a rush. In fact, I believe it's way stronger than the Tokyo Marui NGRS or the KWA. I am confident that I can outmaneuver the competition, especially against those TM and KWA players. So let's skip the small talk and let's get straight into the action. It's time to lock and load.
There on the left. Go.
Another one.
Go ahead. Look at left. Yo. Straight forward. In front of you. He's there. Look in front of you. He's down on his knees. There. Reload.
Yeah, done.
Yeah, good. Hold on your left. Look on your left. He's coming on there. Stand up. Go move. Hey, bro. Hey. Hold him there. Hey.
Technology can be unpredictable, and even the most reliable devices can sometimes let us down. My GoPro malfunctioned for a minute or maybe shorter, resulting in poor image and quality sound. However, the good news is that despite this setback, the gameplay continued uninterrupted. Although I am pinned down on both sides, I still managed to take out as many opponents as possible.
Go. Yes. Stand there, cover. Stay here. You got cover here. Hold it. Don't let them take nothing. Don't go. Stay here. Do not engage. Okay. Let's go back down here. Come. Let's go back down. Come. Let's go back. Come on. Come back here. Yeah. Got him. I got him. Call it.
God did.
Got him too. Call it. Got him. Get all of them.
Another one. God did.
Got him again.
Right here on the left.
Hold it. I got him. Yeah, I got you, bro. Dickhead. Reload him! Reload! Cover! Got you, bro. Call it, man. Cover, bro. Let's move in there, bro. Let's move inside. Let's move in there. More cover. Move. Cover me.
Give me 1 second.
Okay. Hey. Nice one. Hey. Yo. Bro, let's pin them down. Can we open through? Go through this door. Fuck, the door is closed. Tell me that, bro.
Another one.
Ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere, bro.
God did.
Got you. Out. Fuck.
This is when I realized no one was watching my back.
I got you, bro. I got it, G. I got you, man. Call it. Bro, hold it. Hey. Nice one. Hey. Guys, hold the cover, man. Oh yeah, this one. Hey. Hold this angle. I'm gonna go inside the container. Hold that, please. Don't let nobody through. Hold it.
Another one. God did.
Got him again, got him. I keep on getting out of them, bro. Fuck this motherfucker's head.
I had to call hate as I ran out of BBs, but that's part of the game. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Airsoft action. See you in the next one.